Hello once again, and we are back with another shlok from Gita because this is our Gita in Action series. And as you would know that we take one shlok and we try to understand the wisdom behind it and implement in our lives. And joining me today is Anna Goyal, who is the media marketing solutionist for Tour de Force. Anna, hi.
Hi, ma'am.
And of course, all the way from Kolkata, my very graceful mom, Sudha Khandelwal. Hello, Mom.
Hello, Shilpi.
Fantastic. So the sequence will be like this. I will share the shlok in Sanskrit, which is chapter 3, verse 28. And then Mother will translate it in Hindi. Then Anna will translate it in English. And then I will put it in the perspective of how we can take the wisdom of the shlok and implement in our lives. And of course, we have two generations here, so we would love to know their perspectives too, right? So here we go. So are we ready, team?
Yes.
Perfect. Tattvavittu mahavaho गुणा कर्म विभागयोः गुणा गुणेषु वर्तन्ते इति मत्वा न सज्जते. Mother, can you please translate it in Hindi?
Yes, शिल्पी. हे महाबाहु, गुण विभाग और कर्म विभाग को तत्व से जानने वाला महापुरुष संपूर्ण गुणों में ही बरत रहे हैं, ऐसा मानकर उसमें आसक्त नहीं होता. Anna, translate it in English.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Lord Krishna says, O mighty armed one who is the knower of the truth concerning action and the modes of material nature, understands that it is the modes interacting with one another and thus remains unattached. Ma'am, can you please put this into perspective?
Yes, Anna, thank you so much. This shlok again is one of the most important shlok because it has an embodiment of an eternal truth called detachment. We've heard a lot of time, be detached to what you're doing, be detached now and again, because that will lead to your happiness, isn't it? But how? This shlok tells us how. Because in this, Krishna is saying that whatever we are doing it because of our three gunas. The gunas means the property or the attributes of our nature, ourselves. And the three gunas are sattva, rajas, and tamas. Sattva means, let me read it please, means goodness, calmness, and harmonious. Rajas means passion, activity, movement. And tamas means ignorance, inertia, laziness. Now, according to these attributes, our work is performed. All right, our actions are performed. And accordingly, as you know, action equals to reaction, we get the outcome. And we are also told not to really think about the outcome, but don't we always do that? So since these gunas are making us do what we are doing, then as a soul, as I need to learn to detach myself and be an observer to these gunas, because I am not doing it. I'm not even capable of making any changes whatsoever. It is my gunas who are making me do the activities. So if I become detached and I become an observer, won't you and I become much more released and absolutely calm when there are outcomes which is of dire nature and which is of any nature rather, whether it is happiness or sadness? So here the shlok says, this is the purest form of your eternal truth. And for that, if you want to be on the path of that spiritual freedom, then please understand that be detached, be an observer, and know that your gunas are doing what they are doing, and learn how to implement the change so that you can be a pure soul and be on that journey. Fantastic. And so now I would request my mother to put it in her perspective of what she thinks about this shlok. Mom?
यस शिल्पी, इस श्लोक में श्री भगवान ने गुण और कर्म विभाग के विषय में बताया है। प्राकृतिक जो 3 गुण सत्व रज और तम, जैसे मनुष्य का स्वभाव होता है उसी के अनुसार वो कार्य करता है, वो कर्म करता है और उन्हीं कर्मों से उसका आचरण दिखाई देता है। जब मनुष्य मैं और मेरे की फीलिंग से काम करता है तो वो क्रिया नहीं होती, वो कर्म हो जाता है। और प्रकृति में हमेशा क्रिया होती है, कर्म नहीं होते हैं। कर्म और क्रिया में माइन्यूट फर्क है। कर्म मैं और मेरे से होता है और क्रिया स्वाभाविक है। भोजन स्वयं पचता है, भूख और नींद समय पर आती है। जो कार्य हम अहंकार वश करते हैं वो कर्म हो जाता है। उसमें ममता, कर्ता, द्वेष आदि की भावना रहती है। इस परम सत्य को तत्व से जान लेता है वो वैसा ही आचरण करता है और उसमें उसी प्रकार के गुण स्वयं ही आ जाते हैं। पिछले श्लोक में 27 में जब ये पढ़ा था कि गुण गुण में बरत रहे हैं तो मेरे सामने एक बात आ गई, एक घटना आई। मैंने एक से बोला कि भाई आप ये वाला काम कर लो, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और आप कर लीजिए। उन्होंने उस काम के लिए आनाकानी की और नहीं किया। फिर उनके हाथ से वो बात निकल गई और बहुत ही सीरियस पोजीशन हो गई। फिर जब वो ही काम उन्हें करा उन्होंने, तो उस समय मेरे को ये गुण गुण में बरत रहे हैं ये विचार आया। तो मेरे पॉइंटिंग फिंगर और ब्लेमिंग बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। कभी भी मन में कोई भावना आती है तो बस उसी समय ये याद आ जाता है कि गुण गुण में बरत रहे हैं। इस तरह से मैं बहुत से कर्मों से बच रही हूँ और मेरा एक स्पिरिचुअलिटी की तरफ मैं और बढ़ गई। मैंने ईश्वर को धन्यवाद किया कि भगवान आपने मुझे बचा लिया। थैंक गॉड।
So true, mother. As long as we are centered, we are peaceful within, come what may. That is the entire journey of Gita. And mother, you have done amazing. Thank you so much for sharing this. And for this, I would request Enna now to share her perspective about this shlok. Enna?
Thank you so much, ma'am. So sometimes what happens is I have pizza or biryani for dinner and I overeat because it's my favorite. So because of that, I sleep late and the next day I'm very drowsy, very lazy. So whatever work I do that day is like I don't get the proper outcome. But the same thing, if I have a light dinner, I sleep on time and I wake up early. So my energy is really positive. The whole day is very energetic. So I am constant. I will do the same work every day. But the quality of my thoughts differ. That's why the outcomes are very different. So I need to learn how to be an observer of these qualities so that I am not attached to the results anymore. And I need to also learn to control my thoughts whenever required.
Yes, Enna, it is so important to understand that, in fact, if we don't even control our thoughts, we just observe our thoughts, we can change them for the better. And now, my dear friends, it's your turn now to share your wisdom. Please comment in the section below. And not only that, do like and subscribe our channel and do hit the bell icon so that you can be notified for any video that we come up with. All right. And